You broke my heart through. You had a billion pieces in my heart that got broken. I want to say that you broke my heart through. Yeah, I just wanted to be here with you, but you broke my heart through. I just want to be with you. Yeah, yeah. But I just want to say Jesus came down from heaven to heal my heart. Theater. Oh, theater. 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 I got to get another chance. But I said no. I didn't want to get my heart broken. I am not crying, but I can't aim to you and said I got my heart healed.